Hey y'all, we are here at Camilla Hill Cemetery. This is located in Cold Spring, Texas. This is about 170, you heard me correct, 170 years old. So I do believe that this is the oldest cemetery in San Jacinto County. It's quite a pleasure to see all these old graves. This was up on a hill right next to the Trinity River. There is a dam close by. Lake Livingston was not here at that time. There are graves. Oh, I could see one way out there. Oh, it's very grown up since the last time we were here. The grass is so bad over here right now. For some reason, it's all grown up. Definitely don't want to step on a snake. It's kind of cooling down a little bit, but they're just scattered all about in the woods. It's definitely a beautiful place for a cemetery. Last time I looked, there were just graves scattered alongside the hill, just going down. We do have a bad storm approaching. Here are some unknown grave markers. These are kind of just scattered about this little cemetery, and these are all outside. Oh, I already see one, and it looks like the terrain is kind of cleared. Honestly, just scared of copperheads. They blend in so nicely, but as you can see, there is a headstone out there, and there's also one right there that is an unknown grave marker. Wow, there's one right here as well that you can't really see anymore. And what's really sad is a lot of these old cemeteries get vandalized for some odd reason. Some of these graves are extremely old, historical graves. Even if they're not historical, don't mess with people's graves. I know one day I found a grave out here. Here's one right here. Yes. Unknown. I'm just trying to look for any sign of a grave or anything. Not sure what kind of bone that is, but it looks like some type of hip bone of an animal. Oh, there's a grave here. I think there's one over here as well. We're getting closer to the highway. We have an unknown grave. I mean, they are literally just everywhere. I don't know, but the adventurer part of me says, let's go look. I don't know when the last time anybody came down here, but it does look kind of weird. Well, I see rocks, but I don't know if that's part of a cemetery or a gravestone. There's a lot of stones over here. That's somebody's property line. But it says that there's graves on both sides of the fence. That is awesome. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for coming along and enjoying this beautiful old cemetery of 170 something years old. It obviously needed a good visit because it doesn't look like anybody's been here in a hot minute. So I'm glad we could take y'all on this little journey. And until next time.